For thousands of years, the woolly mammoth ruled the frozen tundra until it vanished. But what if extinction wasn't forever? What if we could bring this Ice Age giant back to life? In a stunning breakthrough, scientists have taken the first step not by reviving a mammoth, but by turning ordinary lab mice into woolly, cold-adapted creatures. This isn't science fiction. This is real genetics. The idea of de-extinction has captivated scientists for decades. Companies like Colossal Biosciences believe that by editing the DNA of the mammoth's closest living relative, the Asian elephant, we could one day recreate a cold-resistant mammophant. But there's a problem. Elephants take nearly 2 years to gestate. Testing genetic edits on them would be slow, expensive, and ethically fraught. So, researchers asked, could we prototype mammoth traits in an animal that's faster, smaller, and easier to study? Enter the unsung hero of genetics, the mouse. The team at Colossal Biosciences used 2 cutting-edge tools, CRISPR-Cas9, the molecular scissors that snipe DNA, and base editors, which rewrite single genetic letters. Their goal: engineer mice with mammoth-like traits by targeting key genes. They focused on genes linked to hair texture FAM83G for woolly fur, TGM3 for curls, hair length FGF5 for mammoth-like shaggy coats, fat metabolism FABP2 for cold weather energy storage, color MIC1R for golden brown hues. The results were astonishing. These multiplex edited mice had up to 7 genes altered, at once a record in genetic engineering. And their phenotypes, just like mini mammoths. The edited mice grew thick, wavy fur, their hair follicles misaligned like mammoth coats. Some even developed altered fat deposits hinting at cold adaptation. You might wonder, why go through all this trouble for a furry mouse? The answer lies in the future of de-extinction. By perfecting these edits in mice, scientists can identify which genetic changes truly matter for cold adaptation, saving decades of trial and error in elephants. It's like testing a spaceship's design in a wind tunnel before launch. Mice are our living blueprint. Every edit we validate here gets us closer to a viable mammoth-elephant hybrid, and the stakes are high. Reviving mammoth-like traits could help restore the Arctic ecosystem, where these giants once kept grasslands healthy and locked away carbon. But de-extinction isn't without controversy. Critics argue that reviving extinct species distracts from saving endangered ones, or worse, risks unintended consequences. Our goal isn't just to bring back the past. It has to use these tools to protect the future, whether by helping elephants survive colder climates or restoring lost ecosystems. The same tech could also revolutionize medicine. Imagine curing genetic diseases with the precision of mammoth hair edits. So when will we see a real woolly mammoth? Not yet, but Colossal aims to birth the first mammoth-elephant hybrid within the decade. Meanwhile, these woolly mice are already teaching us how life adapts to extreme environments, from the Ice Age to the CRISPR age. This is science at its most daring. And it all started with a mouse. What do you think? Should we bring back extinct species? Could woolly mammoths help fight climate change? Let's discuss in the comments, and if you're fascinated by the science of the impossible, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more adventures at the edge of discovery.